Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ways to Learn English.
Hi, everyone. We are really happy you're here with us today.
If you're listening while walking, relaxing, cooking, or taking a break, welcome.
Today's episode is very practical.
Yes, we're talking about small talk.
Small talk is the light, friendly conversation people use every day
At work,
in cafes,
with neighbors.
with friends of friends.
And many English learners have the same feeling.
They can say hello,
But after that, they don't know what to say.
and then the conversation ends.
So today, we'll give you small talk tools that make your conversations feel natural and easy.
Not deep,
Not stressful.
just simple and human. Alex, why does small talk feel hard for learners?
Because it feels like you need to be interesting,
Yes,
or you need perfect grammar.
or you need the right topic.
But small talk is not about being impressive. It's about being friendly.
So the goal is connection, not performance.
Exactly. Here's something very helpful. Most small talk stays in 3 safe topics.
What are they?
The situation, where you are, what's happening. The day, work, mood, schedule. And the person, light questions about them.
So you don't need deep questions.
No deep questions are for close friends. Small talk is a bridge.
Okay. What is a situation starter?
It's a comment about what's happening around you. Examples. It's pretty busy today. This place is really nice. The weather is beautiful today. That smells really good.
Those are easy.
Yes. And they invite the other person to respond. Let's do a short role play. Imagine we're in a cafe.
Okay.
I'll start with a situation starter. Wow, it's really busy today.
Yeah, it is. I think everyone wants coffee.
Honestly, I don't blame them.
Same. I'm definitely here for the caffeine.
By the way, do you come here often?
Sometimes. I like the atmosphere.
See? Simple, friendly, natural.
And it moved from the situation into a question.
Exactly.
That follow-up question makes the conversation continue.
Yes. So here's the small talk secret. React plus follow-up.
Example?
If someone says, I'm tired today, you react, oh no. Then follow up. Long day?
That's so easy.
Yes. And it works everywhere. Let's practice some follow-up questions.
Repeat after us if you want.
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Are you busy today?
Are you busy today?
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Do you have any plans this weekend?
These questions are safe and common.
Some learners avoid compliments because they feel awkward.
Yes, but compliments can be great small talk if they're simple.
What kind of compliments are safe?
Safe compliments. That's a nice jacket. I like your shoes. Your haircut looks great. That's a great choice. About food or drink.
And then you can follow up.
Exactly. Where did you get it? Or, that color looks good on you.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Hey, I like your jacket.
Oh, thanks. I just got it recently.
Nice. Where did you get it?
Online, actually. It was on sale.
Oh, that's the best. I love a good sale.
See? Compliment plus follow-up equals natural small talk.
It feels friendly, not weird.
Now let's talk about light, personal questions. These are questions about the person, but not too personal.
Like what?
Examples. How do you know the host? What do you do? Are you from around here? Have you lived here long? What do you like to do in your free time?
Those are very common.
Yes. And if someone doesn't want to answer, they'll keep it short. That's okay.
Small talk at work feels important,
Yes, because it builds relationships.
even if it's short.
Exactly. Work small talk is usually about the day, the workload, weekend plans, food, small events.
Not deep topics.
Usually not. Let's do a realistic work role play. Hey Lena, how's it going?
Pretty good. Just a bit busy today.
Yeah, same. It's one of those days.
Seriously, my to-do list is huge.
Oh no. Anything stressful?
Not too bad. Just a lot of small tasks.
Got it. Well, at least the day will end.
Exactly. I'm looking forward to relaxing tonight.
Same here. By the way, do you have any plans this weekend?
Maybe. I might meet my cousin for coffee.
That sounds nice.
That felt natural.
Because we used reaction phrases. Yeah, same. One of those days. Seriously.
And then follow-up questions.
You know a common mistake learners make with small talk?
What?
They try to give a long answer.
Oh, yes.
Small talk doesn't need long answers. Short answers are fine.
Because small talk is a bridge, not a deep conversation.
Exactly. Here's a simple formula. Short answer plus one detail.
Example?
Question. How's your day? Short answer. Good. One detail. Just a little busy.
That gives something to respond to.
Exactly. Without being too long.
So far we learned situation starters, react and follow up, simple compliments, light personal questions, work small talk, and short answer plus one detail.
And next, we'll cover something important. How to continue small talk when you don't know what to say.
And how to exit small talk politely.
And how to practice small talk every day without feeling stressed. All right, let's talk about that moment. You've said hello, you've answered a question, and then,
Silence.
yes, that quiet moment where your brain says, now what?
That happens a lot.
So we need a few conversation lifters. Small phrases that lift the conversation forward.
Like tools you can grab quickly.
Exactly. Here are some conversation lifters that work in many situations. By the way, oh, that reminds me. Speaking of that, how about you? So, what's new with you? How's your week been?
Those are great, because they give direction.
Yes, and they're natural. Someone says, work has been busy. You can say, oh, I know that feeling. By the way, are you working on anything interesting?
That's a smooth follow-up.
Exactly.
Sometimes I feel like I need a list of safe questions.
That's actually a great idea. So let's create a small question bank. These questions work almost anywhere. How's your day going? How's your week been? What have you been up to lately? Do you live around here? How do you know the host? Any plans for the weekend? What do you do for work? Only if appropriate.
And the key is not asking all of them.
Yes. Just one or two. Small talk should feel light. Let's do a role play. Imagine we're at a small gathering. We meet someone new.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Lena. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So how do you know the host?
We work together. What about you?
Oh, we're neighbors actually.
Oh, nice. Do you live close?
Yeah, just a few blocks away.
That's convenient. By the way, how's your week been?
Pretty good. Busy, but good. I've been trying to get back into a routine.
Oh, really? Like what kind of routine?
Just simple stuff. Exercise, sleep, and, honestly, trying to drink more water.
That's a good goal.
Notice how natural this felt.
Because of the follow-ups, and what about you?
Yes. The secret is simple. Small talk is mostly questions plus reactions plus one detail.
Okay. But what if you want to end the conversation?
Great question. Polite endings are important because you want to leave without awkwardness. Here are some natural exit phrases. Well, it was nice talking to you. I'm gonna grab a drink. I should get going, but it was great chatting. I'll let you get back to it. All right, I'll see you around.
Those feel friendly.
Yes, and you can combine them with a smile. For example, well, it was really nice talking to you. I'm going to say hi to someone else, but I'll see you around.
That sounds very natural.
Yes, it gives a reason and keeps it friendly.
Sometimes I panic and my brain goes blank.
That happens to everyone. So here's a calm trick. Repeat something they said and ask a simple question.
Like what?
Example, they say, I just started a new job. You say, a new job? Nice. How is it so far?
That's easy.
Yes. Repeating gives you time. And it shows you're listening. Let's do a quick natural versus unnatural.
Okay.
Unnatural. I desire to engage in casual conversation with you. Natural. Hey, how's it going?
That's funny, but it's true.
Natural English is short and friendly.
How can listeners practice small talk without stress?
Here's a gentle weekly plan. Day 1, practice situation starters. Day 2, practice reaction phrases. Day 3, practice follow-up questions. Day 4, practice polite exits. Day 5, do one real-life small talk moment. And on the weekend, listen again and notice these phrases in movies, podcasts, or YouTube.
That's very doable.
Yes, and the goal is not perfect small talk. The goal is comfort. Here's a small challenge for this week.
Choose one situation starter and use it once.
For example, it's really busy today. This place is nice. Nice weather today.
And then add one follow-up question.
Exactly. Small step. Big confidence.
Small talk can feel boring sometimes
But it's important.
because it builds connection,
And connection gives you more chances to speak English.
and that's how confidence grows.
Little by little. And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
If you want to improve your English, small talk is a great place to start. It's simple, friendly, and happens everywhere.
And if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode, and feel free to listen to our earlier episodes too.